first thing to do is make a bechamel by melting half a stick of butter until it's foamy and then mixing in a quarter cup of flour. Once that's smooth, add a cup and a half of milk and stir it over medium heat until it's reduced into a thick spread. Once it's good and goopy, turn off the heat and add a little bit of nutmeg and some mustard. To build the sandwich, get your oven preheated to 425. Put some bread down on a baking sheet and spread on the bechamel, making sure you get full coverage. Add the ham and some shredded cheese. Gruyere is the most authentic, but Swiss is good too. Lay on your second slice of bread and top with more bechamel. Pop these in your oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Top with the rest of the cheese dangerously because you forgot about it. 10 to 15 minutes later, they should be looking bubbly and a little bit browned. Now you can eat this with like a fork and knife, which is best because it's it's got the cheese melted on top and it's hot out of the oven. So you can just monkey it with your hands if you really feel like it, but a fork and knife is what's most recommended here.